Hey guys, let me show you how you can log out on your WhatsApp on your WhatsApp app. So I'm just gonna go over to WhatsApp now, and then you can see this is my WhatsApp, and there are two ways you can log out on WhatsApp. First is, well, you can directly log out on WhatsApp, but you can log out other devices using your main WhatsApp account, or like the main device that you're using with your WhatsApp. So if you go here to link device, you can see that I logged in my WhatsApp on my Windows. I can click that and then click on logout. It's that simple. And another way, if I want to log out from this WhatsApp app on my phone, I go to settings and then I go to account and I can go to add account, so that I can add another account and I can switch to that other account. So those are two ways that I can present, because there is no direct and concrete way to logging out your account. So yeah, I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.